Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix Ticketmaster app not loading. So if you're also having problems that your Ticketmaster app that it's not loading for you and you want to be able to try to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what I did firstly is that I closed my Ticketmaster app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I just went into my settings app and then I just scrolled down in here and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. In here, I just scrolled down and then I clicked on storage in here. And then I just simply waited a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So it's just going to load all the apps that you currently have on your phone, basically. And when it's done, I'm going to show you exactly what we need to do after that. So now you're just going to swipe up like this and click on search right here. And then you're going to search for ticket master here and click on it, and then click on offload app, and once again click on offload app in here. We're just going to wait a couple of seconds here until we can see the reinstall app button here. Perfect. So just click on it and then just wait for your Ticketmaster app to completely update to its latest version. So I did this, and when it was done, I just went back into the app and now it was loading for me without any problems whatsoever. I guess that sometimes when they release like a new update, then yeah, you have to get it to be able to make it work like perfectly, I guess. So I'm just going to go back into the app. And as you can see, it looks fine now. So yeah, basically, sometimes maybe you have to log back into your account, I guess. But yeah, I mean, this is exactly how to actually do this.